and welcome to day 4, Thursday, May 13th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. There are a few activities to do, so it is important that you go in order that you see. So the first activity is to complete page 72 and 73, parts 2A and B. Well, A is just information, so A or 2. So A, B, and C. Please write clearly and take your picture clear so I can see it. All right. So remember, this week we're talking about conflict resolution. So you are going to watch 2 examples of a bad conflict at work, a bad resolution. Then you're going to show how these 2 people could have resolved their conflicts more effectively. And then you'll see the better version. All right. So you will watch the 2 videos here. Okay, watch the 2 videos and you could watch the 2 videos. Then after you watch the 2 videos, you are going to explain how they could have done better using polite grammar. Okay? Then, all right, so these 2 you're just reading you're reading directions, watching video, and here you are making your comment. Then you'll watch the videos of the good example. Okay, and you watch videos a good example to see if that's what you did. And then we have to read the article performance evaluations, and you're going to answer the question: how can a supervisor use a performance appraisal, and how can a worker use its review? All right, so then you put that here in the comment section. If you're having any trouble with the videos, please let me know, and then I can send them to you a different way. But that's it for your async. It's Thursday. That means we have class together on Zoom. So we are going to practice avoiding workplace conflict, and then we're going to work on our project, our essay. So for right now, by tomorrow, but by the beginning of next week, you should have read all 3 articles and write your POV. Okay, so most people should be reading their second or third article. So by next week, all 3 of your articles should have been read and you have evidence. All right, and then we'll do an activity on workplace conflict. And that's it for today. Good luck.